Every once in a while, you learn about something that you immediately realize it will make your life easier one day at work. And that's kind of like the feeling I got when I first learned about text to columns. As its name suggests, it is used to split text into multiple columns. To illustrate common uses of this function, we prepare a couple of scenarios. One where we receive the name and last name of customers in the same columns, and the other a combined address that we need to split for marketing intelligence purposes. So let's focus on the first scenario. Data includes a comma that separates the name and last name, and that will be helpful as a delimiter to separate the data. To start, let's select our data. Now, let's find text to columns in the Data tab. There it is. Click on it to open its wizard, where we need to follow 3 steps. First, in these scenarios, our data is separated by commas, so we'll choose delimited as the best option to describe it. Go next, and in step 2, we'll select comma as the delimiter. Depending on your data delimiters, you may need to choose other alternatives in your projects. Underneath, Excel shows us a preview with the last names and names separated in columns. Looks good, so click on Next. Step 3. Here we can select the format we want the data on. In this case, we'll keep it as general. If you use text to column with numbers or dates, you may need to change it, so keep an eye on it. Lastly, we need to select the destination. So, click on the destination selector, which is basically where the first cell will appear. In our example, I'll select B2. Then, click on Finish. Perfect. Now, let's try again in the second scenario, where we need to separate the address in 3 columns. Data seems to be properly delimited by commas, so let's select it and open text to column again. Same process, choose delimited, next. Commas as our delimiters, the preview looks correct, okay, so next. Now, we want our data to stay in general format, so we only need to confirm our destination again. Okay, ready and finish. Looks great. Text to column will become one of your main functions to implement, particularly when working with large datasets.